Hey guys, I want to show you in this video how you can make a lot of money from Google AdSense. And the beautiful part of this is that you don't have to go anywhere. All you have to do is to sit on your laptop or your mobile phone from the comfort of your home and make beautiful, wonderful amount of money from the comfort of your home. You want to learn this, guys? What you do for me, hit on the subscribe button. Myself and a couple of my friends were coming together to put in together a one-on-one coaching session for some people, and all you have to do to qualify, all you have to do to stand a chance to qualify is to hit on the subscribe button of this video, like this video, and drop a comment in the comment section. We are going to be picking people at random, guys. You want to learn this? Let's go in. Alright guys, so what I want you to do is very simple. You just come to your laptop and you type on Google AdSense. It's very simple. So you're on your laptop and then you type on Google AdSense. Now give it a few minutes, it's gonna load, and then it's gonna bring you to this website, Google AdSense website. Alright, now you're here. Now, the beautiful thing about Google is the fact that it gives you the freedom to make money. Now, a friend was discussing with me, we're having a conversation with a friend some time ago where we're talking about how that Google has made it very, very simple to make money online. And that is the truth, guys. Google has made it very, very simple to make money online. How does that work? All you just need to do is to generate a level of traffic and you are good and you make money off AdSense. It's as simple as that. Now let me show you something. It says we value your content. So clearly what Google AdSense is all about is creating content. It's you creating beautiful, wonderful content, guys. Now you're gonna come here. Now we're gonna come here and you're gonna see how much you can make from Google AdSense. Now all you're gonna do is select your region. So I'm currently in Africa. So I'm just gonna pick randomly. Let me just pick. So you see Asia and Pacific countries, Europe, Middle East and Africa. So I fall under the category of Middle East and Africa. So I'm going to click on Africa, right? So here we go. And then it says select category. Now, so all you have to do here is to select the niche you belong to. For instance, if you're choosing to talk about, if you're a comedian or you're an actor or you're just into short dramas or entertainment, you're going to click on art and entertainment. However, if your channel is about talking about vehicles, autos, automobiles, you click on autos and vehicles. If you're into beauty, fitness, weight loss and the likes, you click on beauty and fitness. And if you're into books and literature, you can click on books and literature. If you're into business and industry, you click on business and industry. And yari. If you're into computer and electronics, you click on computer and electronics. If you're into finance, you click on finance. If you're into food and drink, whatever it is that you're into, whatever your channel is about, whatever your blog is about, you just go ahead and pick. So I'm going to pick on finance because that's one of the things I'm very interested in. So I'm going to click on calculate. Now look at what Google has to say. Now it says your potential revenue, monthly page view, for every time that your page generates a 50,000 views, look at what you stand to. Your potential annual revenue, this is an estimated and should be only used as a reference, $11,682,000. Guys, $11,682. That's a ridiculous amount of money. That's an average of $1,000 every single month for 50,000 views, and this is the barest minimum you can generate if you are very consistent and if you're hard. All right, my channel generates close to 10,000 views, sometimes in a day, sometimes in 2 days, right? So imagine what 50,000 views can do for you. This is annual. Some people generate these views every single month. So imagine what 50,000 traffic can do for you. Now by 50,000 views, all I'm just talking about is if 50,000 people visit your site. Now let's try something else. All right. So this is 50,000. Let's bring it a little bit forward to, let's say 98,000. So clearly, if you're in 98,000, if you can generate about 98,850 views, right, monthly, annually, your annual potential earnings is gonna be within the range of $23,095. That's an average of $2,000 every single month. That's a ridiculous amount of money, guys. I'm going to be telling you what you need to do to get this traffic. It's very simple. All you need to do, guys, the first thing you need to do if you want to make money off Google AdSense is there are two things you can do. Number one is to start a blog. Start a blog. I spoke about this extensively in my previous video. All you have to do is to start a blog, guys. Yes, you heard me right. Start a blog, right? About anything you're passionate about. And people are trying to hesitate. Why do I need to start? Do I need to start? The point is just start a blog. That's it. Even Google itself, even Google AdSense have a blog. This is it. It's showing Google AdSense have a blog. Every company has a blog website. Now, I write for a lot of companies. I create content for a lot of companies, and they all have blogs. Even reputable companies have blogs. I believe that everybody should have blog. Even if your blog is all about talking about yourself. Now, you can decide to talk about the very list of things. The very list of things. Now, this is currently my marker for my whiteboard, right? This is my whiteboard marker. Now, if as beautiful, as little as this can be, all you just do is to talk about your whiteboard marker and talk about the different types of white. You have a white, you have a red, you have a green, and you talk about what they can be used for individually. That is more than enough. That is more than enough. Just talk about different things. Talk about your interests. Write about it. Be consistent, guys. That's what you need to make money. You don't make money by being normal. Normal people don't do extraordinary things. You have to be abnormal. You have to be passionate. You have to work hard, guys. That's the goal. That's the secret. I want you to make money online, just like I'm making money online. What you can't do is sleeping. You have to create. You have to go out of your comfort zone. Get out of your shell, guys. You can do this. All right. Another thing you can do to generate this kind of traffic online is to start a YouTube channel. This is a YouTube channel you're watching right now, right? People deserve to watch you. You have something to say. You have a message out there. It doesn't matter what you're talking about. Just talk about something and be consistent about it. You have a message. You have something people need to hear about. Write about it. And it's just a matter of time before you start making tons and tons of money out of it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, what I want you to do is to hit the subscribe button so that next time I get to share a video as insightful as this, you'll be among the very first to see it and will help more people get financially free. Thank you very much for watching.